Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to our stunning framed wall art, a perfect addition to your home or office decor that brings the beauty of nature right into your space. Measuring at 20 by 40 inches, this exquisite seascape wall decor is designed to enhance the ambiance of any room, whether it's your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or even your office. Crafted from premium canvas, each panel is stretched over solid wooden frames, ensuring durability with its waterproof, UV-resistant, and color-fading resistant qualities that last for over 50 years. The canvas comes with pre-installed hooks, making it incredibly easy to hang. Simply measure your wall and place it where it fits best. We take pride in our excellent customer service, striving for 100% satisfaction, so if you have any questions or concerns, our friendly after-sales support is ready to assist you. Transform your interior with this breathtaking wall art and enjoy the serene beauty it brings to your everyday life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing product features. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.